Hello, welcome to my show. My name is No. Today we have what's your name?
Karen, aka Superhead.
I heard that! Miss Superhead, what is your sexual fantasy?
Well, I always wanted Lil Wayne to be a transvestite.
What?
Yeah. He looked like a tree monkey.
A tree monkey?
Yeah.
What would Trina say? What would Trina say?
Fuck that hoe. I'll whoop that bitch.
You will whoop that what?
I'll whoop that bitch.
Would you like to fuck her too?
Yeah, she looks tasty too.
Damn, that's some lollipop shit.
Jolly Rancher lollipop too.
Is there anything else you would like to tell us?
Well, they call me Superhead because I get the best head.
I once came here with a goldfish in my mouth.
Have a nice day.